Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open this board. Give you a close up. Side what it looks like. This is what upside down looks like. This is what the other side looks like. This is what the back looks like.
Yeah, this toy is actually from Germany, right?
Very
for
itchy.
kids. It's a body puzzle, and you got five parts. The skeleton, the organs.
No, the skeleton is all the way on the bottom.
Yeah, the skeleton, the organs, the muscle, the body, and the boy with a clothing t-shirts.
A naked girl.
No, this is a boy.
Naked boy. Now I'm gonna just.
You want to unpack it now? Now be careful. You remind the children to use your
Scissors. Be careful. Why you want them to remind them to use the scissors?
I don't want anybody to cut their finger.
Remind them to be careful to using the scissors, not reminding them to use the scissors.
Okay.
We got the boy gonna get out. The boy. Is this all made out of wood?
Yeah, it's all made from wood.
I got so much dust on myself. Not gonna touch the bottom of it. I'm gonna show them each body part.
You can do that in this way. At once.
Really?
I can help you. Sure.
I'm gonna.
Don't put your fingers here. I helped you. I told you. You hold it. This is a skeleton. Scared?
No.
Scared? Tell me you're scared.
No, I'm not scared.
Yeah, this is a skull. This is a ribs. This is a hip.
No, this is your
This is
butt.
a hip. Yeah, this is a hip. The arm.
No, this is the bone, the skull.
The skull.
The teeth.
Because
the
it's the
rib
rib.
cage.
Yeah, the rib
The
cage.
backbone.
The
What's this bone called?
I forgot. Fula, something like that.
Fula.
Yeah, actually we got 200 something
Bone,
pieces
egg
of bone.
hand bone, foot bone.
The leg,
foot
the
bone.
toes, the finger, blah 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 blah. Anyway, now you need to put a muscle here, right?
No, that.
All,
I'll show you this part.
yeah, different muscles, right?
If you, I cannot see very good. I'll give you a risk.
Yeah, that's the brain. You see the brain? Where's your brain?
Inside my head.
Yeah,
Do you
lost
want me
your
to
brain.
take it out?
No, nobody wants to see your brain.
And blood. This second part.
Yeah, you can see your lung and your heart.
Let's get
There's a lung and your heart. Yeah, it's good.
If you wear glasses, don't do this. Here's the left arm or the right
arms.
It's here. No, it's here, but is this the left or the right? The left? Okay, this is the left arm. The left arm.
The right arm.
The right arm.
The tummy. This is what's inside the tummy. The colon and the intestine.
And the poo.
This is the poo. Ooh.
Ew, I see it's right here.
Yeah, that's where.
It's squishing out.
Right before they come out to the toilet.
About to go to the bathroom. Here's left leg, left foot, and the right foot.
And you see all the blood vessels and the blood actually circulate from the heart to your whole body, right? And after you digest it, and all the nutrition will go to the blood,
And
the
then
blood
it will turn to poop.
Yeah. And all the nutrition will go into the blood, and the blood will take all the nutrition to every body, every part of your body, right?
And take out the leg. Okay, now let's put the next part.
Yeah, you need to put on the
muscle.
muscle. Where are your muscles?
Muscle head.
Oh, that's a muscle.
Scared.
You know, at least 70% of your body is made up from water.
What?
Water.
Where?
Your body is full of
your
water.
Is your head full of water?
Yeah, sure, of course. Or your
Is your head full of blood?
yes.
Here's a right arm.
Yeah, have you learned your body parts in school already?
No.
No. Then you are a little Audrey the teacher, right?
I'm not a teacher. I'm very good at Portuguese class.
Can you say something in Portuguese?
Yeah, what word?
Whatever you like to say.
You say it in English.
Well, how are you today?
I don't know how to say that.
Just say, how are you?
How are you?
In Portuguese.
I don't know.
You don't know? Whatever. You tell me how to say student in Portuguese.
Alunos.
Repeat.
Alunos.
Alunos. How to say goodbye?
Adeus. Até amanhã.
How to say what? I don't know. Okay, now we are ready for the bottom.
Not yet.
The muscle. Now the muscle part is ready. You see? You got different part of muscle.
I'm so small.
You got a...
Ew, it smells bad.
Oh yeah, it's made from wood, yes, anyway. Now you want to put the body on it?
Did bugs crawl on wood before? Oh my gosh, that stinks. Is this the wrong head?
Yeah.
You said yes? This is the wrong head?
No.
Okay, the other side. Right? Like that? And then you put it like that? No, the other side. And then the other side. And then this. No, we put the feet first and then we put that part. Yeah, we have to put that part first. And then we put the feet. What
This is obvious.
word?
Yeah, it's a boy, you see?
Ew.
It's a boy. It's obvious, you see? This is the boy. Yeah.
But there's something in there.
Yeah, we got penis. Anyway, you see his hair, his eyes,
His eyes,
nose,
nose,
mouth,
mouth,
cheek,
cheeks,
ear,
ears,
neck,
neck,
chest,
chest,
arms,
arms,
tummy,
tummy,
the legs and the foot.
legs, and the foot.
Yeah, the feet. Okay, now you put
Fill
on
the
the...
body up.
Yeah,
He's naked.
Yeah, it's naked. You need to put it
I'm not
correctly.
gonna touch the bottom of the wood. It stinks. Here's your orange.
So he got an
shirt,
orange t-shirt.
and his arms are orange. I hate those ones. I hate it when you touch the bottom of the wood. Ooh. He got some gray pants. Yeah.
Now, you got a cap,
The cat,
you got a t-shirt,
t-shirt,
you got a pants,
pants.
and a pair of sneakers.
Yeah. Can you give me one?
What?
Can you give me hold one?
Yeah, later. Not now.
I burped. Okay, so I don't like touching these. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye. And we want 1 million subscribers. So click the subscribe button.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.